Hey, my friend, are you tired of working 9 to 5 a day and still getting underpaid? Are you sick and tired of listening and watching all these financial gurus talking about online marketing, affiliate marketing, digital marketing, and this online business and all those online thing? Are you still worried about uh, your needs that should be settled, like repaying your loan, paying your school fee, building your own house, buying new car? Then I have this opportunity for you, and I will tell you that if you have all these three things that I'm going to share with you right now, then you're going to be successful. You can make 3, 4, 5, or even 6 figures in this month, next month, and going onwards. So all these three things, before I share with you, please do follow me, like, share this video, and don't forget to save it for later. The three things, if you have your smartphone, number one, if you have a smartphone, then bro, you are there, because I use my smartphone here to do what I am talking about right now. Number two, you have the internet connection, and that is everywhere. Number three, if you have 2 to 3 hours a day, that's all. You don't need any experience, you don't need technical experience or anything. Only three things: one, smartphone; two, internet connection; and three, 2 to 3 hours a day. Then trust me, you can make 4, 5, or even 6 figures this month and next month and going onwards. All these three things, and that's all. You can do it if I can do it. That's very interesting. It's not a scam. It's not what you've been watching or listening to long time ago, but it's new here, and I want to help you. If you want to learn how, please do leave a comment. Type yes in the comment section, and I'll gladly share it with you. One love. See you on the next video. Thanks.